Hello teacher and classmate, how are you? The personal information. My name is Jinson, my nationality is Colombia, and my profession is a production worker in flower company. My language is Latin Spanish. I am 24 years old. I what I like what I like the most is learning about philosophy and practicing crystal soccer. Also listening to electronic music in its different genres. What says the injustices and inequalities in humanity, and the moment I am studying psychology and math. Daily routine. Hello teacher and classmates, how are you? My name is Jinson Leal. I live in Facatativá, Cundinamarca. Every cool city one house from Bogota. I live in a house for rent. Today I want to tell you in this video a little more about my day today. These are my activities on a typical day. Wake up at 4 a.m. Take a shower and get ready. Then I have breakfast and head to the bus station. I I take the bus to work. I start work at 6 a.m. I leave work at 4 p.m. and return home at 5 p.m. and prepare food. I start my study day at 6 p.m. in the afternoon. Normally, I always study at night and I have to read a lot for me. It is a really routine to have to study at night for work reasons. Although I don't know like although I don't like it or feel very productive, why that study schedule I have to make an effort and be constant and disciplined. Then I go to bed at 10 or 11 at night all week. I always try to organize and manage my my time my time better to be able to take advantage of it and rest when I like it and I want to get and eat. Thank you, thank you very much for your attention. Thank you.